Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro. And basically we have a few options. We can use an application or we can use gestures. And let's get started by using application. Open SOUNDPEATS. If you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have, this one. Now you need to click at the equalizer icon at the left bottom. And right here we have ambient sound control. So I guess by default you will use normal mode. And to enable ANC, you just tap at the ANC mode. That's it. To disable, you tap at the normal mode or transparency mode, it's up to you. Now, also, as I said previous, we can use gestures and you can swap these ambient sound controls by using your left earbud. At the back side, right here at the top, we have SOUNDPEATS logo, and you need to press and hold this logo because this is actually a touch area to enable or disable ANC. So now I'm going to swap from normal mode to ANC, and we just enable it. To disable it, we need to swap to another mode, so press and hold again. And now we swap to transparency mode. If you want to swap to normal mode, you press and hold again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!